my lips.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How to Do It. I'm Jeremy. Thanks for stopping by. And it being the new year, I kind of wanted to do a little something different on the channel and start a series called First Time, Long Time. Meaning, this is the first time I'm doing this, or I haven't done this in a very long time. And we're going to kick it off with the first time I ever made oatmeal cookies. So, I hope you enjoy.
First things first, we need some ingredients. We're going to get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, full stick of butter or 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a full cup or 125 grams of all-purpose flour, and then a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And of course, we'll need 1.5 cups of oats. Recommended that you use rolled or quick oats. I did not, I just used instant. And then 1 cup of raisins. And me being born in the 80s, I included a photo of the California raisins. We'll also need 2 large bowls, a whisk, and a spatula. Here's that recipe written down if you wanted to pause so you can write it down. Alright, the first thing that we are going to do is going to be combining the flour, the cinnamon, the baking soda, and the salt. We're going to mix that until it's combined. And then we're going to stir in our oats. And then we're going to set that aside, and in a separate bowl we're going to beat our butter and sugar until it's fully combined. And then we're going to add egg and our vanilla and continue to beat until that is fully combined. Once that's done, we are going to add our dry ingredients just until they're combined, and then we want to add in the raisins last.
Come here and tell me what you think.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
You tell me what you think.
You're the one cooking.
Yeah. I still value your opinion.
What the
take me.
Ooh, it looks good. How was your taste test?
Tastes pretty good.
You made a bit of a mess.
What about?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Show this mess.
I can see it.
Once that's done, we're gonna wrap and chill for 30 minutes. And after that, we're gonna spoon out cookie-sized balls, if you will. And we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And that is it.
That does say 350. Stop. Ooh. Look like they might be gooey. It is hot. Like gooey in the center because they're thick. I was worried that they were going to be too dry, but they're not. Hey, thanks for joining me for the first episode of First Time, Long Time. Admittedly, after reviewing the footage, I had a bit of a cookie craving and had to go make me some chocolate chip cookies really quick. Anyway, that'll do it for me. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. If you're new around here, maybe think about hitting that subscribe button. If you got any kind of value out of this content, please hit the like button. And if you really want to help the channel out, share on all your social media platforms. Really helps the channel grow. Anyway, I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Mm.